Hey everyone, and welcome back. So, hope you guys are doing great, and as you already know, Denon is out, so we should make a project about it. So in this project, what we will be doing is we will be having a budget application, and this project will be in two parts. One will be the UI and or front end, and the other will be the back end. First of all, we'll start with backend because Deno is more about backend. It's a replacement to Node with a lot of improvements. It is a potential replacement. We didn't never know if it could because Node has a big community and a lot of people are there to help it. But let's see. You can never say anything about these technologies. They keep improving, and who knows? Deno could be much better than Node. So let's do our part of building projects, and in this project we'll have a simple application and we'll just have three user stories. User story is something which is what a person can do with the application. So first will be they should be able to add an entry, and this entry could be income or expense. Second is view the last transaction. So basically we'll show them all the transactions. So that's what it is. And the third is delete a transaction. So these are simple things which will show them. There could be some minor changes here and there, but this is like in the box everything. Okay, so let me show you what you might have a question that what will I learn from this application. So you will learn to build a Deno server using GraphQL and interacting with MySQL database. You can even build another projects with Postgres, I think maybe MS SQL because they provide you those, but yeah, you can build with the different databases, but we'll be using MySQL. And which will be the steps we'll be taking here. First, we'll install Deno. If you haven't installed it, I'll show you how to do it. Second will be finding a GraphQL package. Over the past couple of weeks, people came up with a lot of packages for GraphQL interaction, but we built it around 18 days ago. So yeah, we have created with a basic GraphQL package which is provided in Pika. Third is about request. We'll show you how to request using Deno. And first we'll do the simple request, and second will be the GraphQL request. And the third one is creating a schema and resolvers for GraphQL. Okay, so which are the package, or first of all, let's think about the functions. So there should be just three functions. First, to add an entry, delete an entry, and get a running total. So these are the main functions we'll have, and there might be some other helper functions. Let's see when we create the UI. Okay, so the third-party packages which we will be using will be GraphQL for interacting with Deno as GraphQL or database as GraphQL. Second will be a Dexecutor and Dex. The reason we have it together is because Dex is kind of a query builder for the database, and Dexecutor is something that executes the Dex, and that is why it is like both are together. Okay, third one will be the UUID. Every entry will have a unique ID, and for that reason we have a built-in function which is our built-in package which is a UUID, so we'll be using that. And fourth one is a very important one, Denon. It's important just for us to not keep running the server every time. So if you have used Node, you might be similar. You might have used NodeMon, and Denon is more similar to NodeMon. Okay, and we'll discuss about schema and resolver when we get to that part. But yes, this is the whole project, and let's see what happens when we start with the project. So in the next video, we'll start on the project. So see you in some time. Bye bye.